Yes, student, this is Lost Springs, second chapter of Flamingo book, NCRT, 12th class. Actually, students, I have written this half part of the chapter in the form of note making so that all the students can find how a note making can be written in a very easy way. So there is no need to give you paragraph passage in a separate way because already you have your book, and from the book you can read your chapter and also can see the note making. The title of the second half of the chapter is I want to drive a car. You know, student, first part of the chapter is dedicated to Sahib Alam, who is a red peak, and second part of the chapter is dedicated to Mukesh. Here I have told you the condition in which Mukesh family is working and what the problem they are facing. Here Mukesh, who wants to change his profession from as a bangle maker to a motor mechanic. That's why I written Mukesh a bangle maker, but he wants to change his profession, as I told you earlier, from a bangle making to motor mechanic, because he has seen that his father, his mother, his parents cannot do anything for the well-being of the family with this profession in which they are engaged, and that is bangle making. That's why he has making a dare to change his profession from a bangle making to motor mechanic. Second, third, look, this is the heading of the first paragraph, sorry, and these are the subheadings. Mukesh and his family, like other families in Firozabad, spent generation working around furnace. मुकेश और उसकी फैमिली दूसरी अदर फैमिलीज के साथ जनरेशन से फिरोजाबाद की फैक्ट्री में, बेंगल मेकिंग फैक्ट्रीज में आर वर्किंग, एंड they are working around furnaces. This is about Mukesh, a Bengal maker. Now, what are the old working condition all the people, all the children are facing in these Bengal making industries and factories? So that's why I have written old working condition. Illegally, children work in Bengal industries. Means illegally, that is very illegal. If anybody complain, maybe that most of the Bengal making industries shut up by the government. Means government can put a ban on the working of these industries if the government may check that many of the children are working in these Bengal industries. Here I have used this abbreviation. And these children work around furnace with hot temperature. This abbreviation. So there is very hot temperature, and these in this hot temperature children work. Dingy cells with no light, and where they work, the rooms, the places very dingy, वो छोटे हैं, and there is no way to penetrate light and air into those dingy cells. Means there is no proper arrangement of light and air in those areas where the children work. Children lost, and many of the children who are working have lost their brightness of their eyes. Now this is Mukesh house. Now what is the condition of Mukesh? Mukesh house is in a stinking land that is choked with garbage. एक बदबू वाली गली में है और उसकी नालियां गार्बेज से चौक्ड है. हाउस विद मुकेश हाउस इज क्रम्बलिंग वॉल्स एंड वोबलिंग. उसके हाउस की टूटी फूटी दीवार है और टूटा हुआ एक वोबलिंग डोर है. हाउस क्राउडेड है फैमिलीज से, बिकॉज बोथ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स बोथ आर को एग्जिस्टिंग इन द हाउस. आदमी भी है और जानवर भी है, दोनों both are coexisting in the same house. This is the condition of Mukesh's house. Now, wife of Mukesh's elder brother. I'm explaining the condition of Mukesh's elder brother's wife. While cooking, smoke-filled eyes but smiling. She is cooking something, and the smoke that is coming from the cooking has filled his eyes, but still she is smiling. She is frail, weak, physically she is weak, but she is in charge of 3 men. In charge in the means that she has to do all the household work. Gently, and this is the culture of Indian, that whenever any elder person enter the house, she gently downs her veil. वो अपना घूंघट नीचे कर लेती है. Now that is Mukesh's father. Now I am telling you Mukesh's father condition. An improvised bangle maker, एक गरीब bangle maker है. He did hard work first as a tailor and then started working as bangle maker. He failed. Continuously he is doing work in bangle making industries, but he failed to renovate even his house. वो अपने हाउस को भी ठीक ठाक नहीं करा चुका है, एंड अपने बच्चों को भी स्कूल नहीं भेजा चुका है. सीन ऑफ एवरी हाउस यार्ड, हर एक घर के यार्ड में हम क्या देख सकते हैं? स्पाइरल्स ऑफ बैंगल्स, line bounds, pile on for wheels and carts, boys and girls sitting in flickering flames of light, welding pieces of colored glasses. In this way, the second part of the chapter Lost Spring I have given you in the form of note making. So students, you can find yourself easy in making the notes of the given passage in exam. So for the exercise, you can go to your second part of the chapter, and this is note making. Thank you.